So let's look at graphing an ellipse where the center is not at the origin. Okay, this poses a few more problems, and so I highly recommend some type of gridded paper or graph paper. Let's go ahead and make this the origin. And let's go ahead and pull out our center. So our center from this equation is change sign, so it's a -3 in the parentheses, so it's a +3. It's a -2, so it's a +2. So, and we're going to go ahead and plot that. Our center is 3, 2. Okay? So, from there, we want to take a look at our denominators. Remember, the a and the b are the square roots of these numbers. So, I don't know, a or b, it doesn't really matter which one. But on the x-axis, we're going to go plus or minus 4. So, the square root of 16 for the x-axis is plus or minus 4, the square root of 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. What are these coordinates? Well, with the graph paper, it's pretty easy. You can just see that it is 7, 2. Because you're not going up or down any, so that doesn't change from the y. So just add and subtract 4 from the x-coordinate. So -1, 2. Okay, now this one's smaller, the x is smaller, so that's the minor axis, and it's on the x. The major is on the y-axis, and we're going to go up and down 6 units. Square root of 36 is 6, so it'll be plus or minus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure I didn't lose count. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. These would be the endpoints of the major axis, also known as the vertices. And the coordinates here are, we're basically adding 6 to the y value. So it's 3, 6 plus 2 is 8. Or you can count it from here. You can do 1, 2, 3, and 8. Either way will give you that coordinate. And we're going down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can subtract 6 and get a -4. And x-coordinate 3. Okay, so there's your ellipse, and this is your vertices, so these would be your co-vertices. And you can try to roughly draw the ellipse, again, like circles. It's pretty hard, but do the best you can. So there you go. Now, let's talk about the foci. Now, the foci is really C equals the square root of a squared minus b squared. So, and you don't want a negative underneath there. So, subtract the bigger minus the smaller. That way you don't have to worry about all the a and b when a is larger than b and stuff like that. You can just go ahead and subtract the largest one by the smaller one and get square root of 20, which is approximately 4.5. And so you're going to go on the major axis, 4.5 up and 4.5 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4.5. There's your one foci. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. There's your other foci. And of course it's 3. You're here at 3, comma, -2.5. and 3, comma, 6.5. Add 4.5 to 2, and it's 6.5. So there you go there. You can also write this down here as your coordinates of your foci, if you got room. 3, comma, 6.5, and 3, comma, 2.5. And there you have it. As you can see, it's a little bit more entailed when you're off the origin. So there's a little more work and a little more considerations that have to be done. The graph paper is really the only way to go there to keep yourself organized. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.